Hey all, welcome to another one. So today we are back on Hikvision's IP video intercom again, and we are looking at this Hikvision door station, which is a very popular one. Door station is another word for doorbell, and this one is obviously a bit more posher than a normal doorbell because it will ring your phone. Okay, so unlike most other Hikvision intercoms, you need to have an internal screen. So if you don't have that internal screen, the system's not going to work. This one, it goes straight from the door station to your router to your phone. Okay. So it brings down the cost a little bit. It brings down the complications of installation to minimal, and yeah, it's really easy to use, guys. Really popular, really good quality, and really great value for money. All right. So what's coming up in this video? We're going to quickly look at the specs and the features of this device in a second, and then we have a quick unboxing video just to show you what it comes with, and then we're going to do the 2-minute quick setup guide, and we're going to be using popular software packages from Hikvision like SADP tool and Hik-Connect. So if you're an installer, you'll be very familiar with these. If you're not an installer, you've never heard of these before, check the links below, guys. Really easy to use. All right, so get that going now before you watch before you set one of these up. Okay, and then we're going to be using just the Chrome web browser on a PC desktop to set up this device, and yes, in 2 minutes. All right, it's that easy, guys. All right, but for now we're going to quickly look at the specs and features of this device. And the first thing on the list is supports web configurations. So just like I said, you can set this up in Chrome or Internet Explorer, just on a basic PC desktop. Okay, it's IP65 rated, which means it's for outdoor use, and it's got two lights integrated in there. So one is for when the microphone is on, and one I believe is for when the door is opening. Okay. It has an internal card reader. Okay, so you can link one access control point like a door latch or a maglock or something like that, and you can open it through the device, but you can only do one on this one. If you did want to do two, I'll check out some of the other systems Hikvision has. Okay, and this one has a 1080p 2 megapixel camera built in, and it's a nice wide angle camera for that. Okay, so we'll be using normal PoE to power this device, so just be one cable from the device to a little PoE switch, and then that switch connects straight to our internet router. Nice and easy. All right, and no monthly charges or ongoing fees for this. Once you buy the device, that's it. You can keep using it, and then no one's going to charge you for the app or anything like that. And if you have an existing Hikvision CCTV system, you can add this camera as one of your existing cameras. All right, it's pretty easy to do. All right, there's videos below on how to do that. And the internal screen is optional for this device. Okay, so only if you have the B version, guys. You see at the little end of the model number is a B. So if you don't have the B, then you will need a screen. Okay, it won't support web configuration. Okay, so that pretty much wraps up the specs and features. And yeah, now I'm going to do a quick unboxing, guys, and then a 2-minute setup. So let's go over there straight now. All right, cheers. Alright, so this is the equipment we're going to be using to activate this door station. Obviously you're going to need a phone as well, but I'm using that phone to record on, so a little bit tricky there. But yeah, as you see, we just got a standard PoE switch here from Hikvision, a little screwdriver and a cable. Alright, so let's go ahead and open up the door station and see what we got. Okay, so our usual little booklet of things, our actual door station, card, and a back plate. Okay, so let's get rid of the box. Alright, so here is the back plate for the unit. Okay, so that's where you mount to the wall. Alright, pretty straightforward. And so one card here. Obviously fobs and more cards are available. And we have our bag of bits. So, oh, this does actually come with a screwdriver. Okay, that's handy. So we're going to be using that. And some screws. And a little template thing here. And a manual, which I don't think is going to be much help. But, yep, we'll take the screwdriver out of there, definitely. Put that to the side for now, and the card and the back plate. Okay. So now let's have a close look at the unit. Okay. Alright, it's a nice size, okay. A little bit thick, I would say, but not too bad. Okay, at the back here, we have our RJ45 port in there, and our anti-tamper button here. So let's quickly just open up the back and plug in the cable. Okay, so simple standard RJ45 Ethernet LAN cable. All you have to do is plug it in there. Okay, put back the little hatch. Okay, I'll screw it in later. And now all you have to do is connect this to our switch. And obviously I have to just plug in the switch now, and that's the setup done for physical configuration. Okay, pretty straightforward, guys, really easy. Now we'll flip over to the PC and set it up there. All right, catch you there. All right then, guys, so we plugged in our door station, our phone is ready to go, Hik-Connect. Let's go ahead and activate our door station using SADP tool. So to activate a device, just pop in the password. Okay, activate. All right, and now we need to enable DHCP. Okay, so pop in the password you just created. Now DHCP is going to give it a local IP address, so we just refresh it, find our door station, double click on the IP address, and it's going to open up the camera in a web browser. Okay, so now we log in with the details we just created, and literally, guys, we've got to go to one little setting, and that's all we have to do to get this phone to start ringing, get this door station to start ringing our phone. Okay, so go to advanced, under network settings, platform access, we need to click on enable Hik-Connect. We put in a verification code. I'm just going to do 123456. Click on save. Perfect. Okay, I'm just going to click away and come back just to see it's online. Registration status says online now. I'm getting up out of my chair, going over to the door station. All right then, so now we click on add device, and we're going to scan the code from the back of here, okay? Okay, scan the code. Alright, you can do manual adding by serial number if you've already mounted the device. We put in the verification code, okay. Adding complete, nice. Remember, guys, turn your Wi-Fi off for this stage. It's a bit late now to tell you, but if you haven't done it, start again and turn your Wi-Fi off. I'll show you now, my Wi-Fi is off. Okay, now all ready to go. All you have to do is ring the bell and our phone should start ringing. There we go, straight away, guys. So that's how quick and easy it is to set up a Hikvision door station. Without no screen, just direct to your phone. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It massively helps us out. And hopefully catch you on another one. Cheers. Bye bye.